The flatbed chain drive remote steer is built to help one operator move heavy loads with precision while reducing physical strain during transport. Available with a maximum capacity of 10,000 pounds. The heavy-duty steel frame, chain-driven tires, and high-tech speed control are engineered to keep material handling steady, efficient, and dependable. With proportional controls, the operator can smoothly guide the unit through tight spaces and controlled turns. The unit is equipped with a handheld wireless remote safety stop switch and emergency stop functionality on the transmitter for controlled operation when every move counts. If you need a smarter way to move long, heavy materials with less strain and more control, the flatbed chain drive remote steer is ready to get to work. Ready to move heavy materials with better control?